What do you think? What do you think? She said, I'm gonna get it. I'm gonna get it. Oh, we go get it. Did you go get it? She's like, oh, I got it. Yay, I got it. Oh, she got it. Oh, there you go. Nice job. She says, woo. So what are we doing? What are we doing? Where are we going? What are we doing? Where are we going? We're going to go over to the pool of rainwater. See who wants to get wet. Woo, that's a little chilly. Hi, you gonna come in with me? What do you think? You gonna come in? Can I go fishing? She's like, usually the fishing is in the water versus out of the water, Mom, but alright, sure. Puppies! What do you think? Are you coming in? Are you gonna come in? Are you gonna be brave? Are you gonna be brave? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then Anil's over there. Puppies! Argos! He's like, wait, where'd you going? Argos! Yes, good boy. You gonna get it? How about you? You gonna be brave? You gonna come in the pool? Well, come on in. What are you thinking? You gonna come in? Come on in the pool. Like, wait a minute. Wait a minute. What's going on here? What's going on here? Are you gonna come in the pool? I'm coming in the pool. Look at that. Hi, Anyo. You coming out? What do you think? You gonna come in? It's in the pool. Who's gonna be brave? Who's gonna be brave? I see you. I see those two are playing. Those two are playing. You two are playing with me. And you was like, I'm stuck. Hopper, I just have blocked away for right now. Whoa, you got it? You coming to the pool? Aren't you gonna get it? It's like, why are you making this so difficult? Well, come on in then. Whee! You gonna come in? Yay! Good job! She's like, whoa. What the heck? She says, what the heck? You gonna join us? You gonna join us in the pool? We're going to Jojo. What you thinking? She said, oh, I can get out of the pool too. What about you? You gonna join us in the pool? Come on in. The water's nice. The water's nice. Oh, look at you. Hi, Akate. You coming in? Did you coming in, babies? Hi, babies. Yay! Good girl. Do I get it? She gonna get it? Ah, oh, there you go. She's like, I feel I was tricked. Boop. Are you coming in? Come on in. Puppy, puppy, puppy. Yeah. There you go. Yes. Well, you have to come around. That's the rules. Who was behind me? Oh, there you are. You coming in? Oh, you coming in? I'll get you. I'll go get you. What'd you think? Oh, who came in? I said, Hakate's like, whoa, this is weird. But all right, we got it. There we go. Yeah, look at that. Look at that. There you go. You gonna get it? Oh, are you gonna get it? We're gonna get it. Puppies. Yeah. Diana is like, I'm just gonna eat your shoes now. Whoa, Enyo came out. Very nice. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah, what do you think? Come on in. He's like, I don't know if I want to. This is weird. Well, what do you think? The babies are in the pool. Pool party. It's a pool party. I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you. I want to tell you, you gotta come in the pool. You're gonna want to go swimming. Woohoo! There you go. Hi. You coming in? Come on in. Yeah, I don't know. It's weird. You're being very strange. Australia's like, oh, I'm gonna go eat. He's being very strange. Being very strange. Yeah. What do you think? He said, I don't know about this pool thing. I'm gonna get it. I'm gonna get it. I'm gonna get it. Are you gonna hang on to it? I said, I can't hang on to it, lady. Oh, where'd you go? Where'd it go? There it is. Good job, Enyo. Enyo made it. Very nice. You wanna play? Do you wanna play? Do you wanna play? You gotta get it? She's like, whoa. This is cool. This is cool in the pool. Only the cool kids go in the pool. Yeah. Only the cool kids. Australia's like, yeah, I'm just gonna stay over here. Oh, he pottied very good. What do you think? Pool party. Pool party. Huh? What do you think? You can get out if you want. There you go. Good job. She said, okay, I can do this. What about you? What about you? Do you want to come in the pool? What about you? You want to come in the pool? And he's like, he's in the pool. I don't know if I want to be in the pool. I've been in the pool without the water. Without the water's fine. Not to my shoe. Not to my shoe. Oh, it's going to get you. It's going to get you. You come in? Oh, everybody left. It's just me in the pool now. I'm all alone. I'm all alone. I'm all alone in the pool. It's all alone. He's like, I'm not stupid. There's water in there. Oh, there you go. What do you think? Oh, nice job. Well, hi. How are you? What do you think? Arcos. Yes. Good boy. You get it? Where'd you go get it? Ha 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 ha. What are you doing? What about if I had meat? Would everybody come in the pool if I had some meat? We tried for the toy. We did. We tried for it. Let's see if I have some meat. No going in the jungle, Eris. There we go. Yeah, I figured. Right. Who's ready? You stalking her? You're stalking her. Boop. Oh, hi. Oh, hi. You coming in? You're coming in now? You come in? Come on in the pool. What do you think? Yes. Good job. Yes. I'll take paws up. That's fine. Yes. Good girl. Yeah. Come on, let's go. Hi. Yes. Want some meat for that? Oh, she's like, whoa. Oh, really? What are you barking at me for? Come on, let's go. Yeah. Come on, yes. There you go. Get your feet wet. Yes. There you go. Yes. Oh, there you go. Yes. Nice job. Yes. Nice job. Woo. What are you thinking? There you go. Yay! Good hakate. Nice job. Are you coming? Over here. There you go. Over in the water. Yes. Yes. Good boy. Yeah. What do you think? Oh, hi, Enyo. Hi. You coming in? She's like, can I have some of that? I'm trying this whole pool party thing. I'm trying it. I'm trying the pool party. I'm trying the pool party. Yay. Good job, guys. How about you guys? I've got 4 out of 7. Well, I got 4 out of 7. Yes. Here. Good job. A pool party. Yes, Iris. Good job. Nice job. Okay. Yeah. What about you? You want some? Oh. There you go. Yay, Iris. Good girl. Pool party. You gonna join us? It's like, the gingers have taken over the fort. Well, come on. Well, come on then. Yes. You have to get off of there. Good job. Oh, did you finally figure it out? Are you coming in? Yet? Oh, well, I think it's Estrella. Estrella's over there. And Dionysus is over there. You coming in, you? Coming in? Yes. Good job. What do you think? He's like, oh, there's meat behind you. Yeah, there is. Got some good stuff. Like, oh, that was good. What about you? Yeah? What about you? You coming in? You gonna come back in? Oh, oh. What are you doing, Estrella? What are you doing, Estrella? There you go. Whee! Whee! Good job. 5 out of 7 is not bad. No, it's not. It's not bad at all. Oh. Puppy! Where'd you going? Puppy, Estrella. Hi! Are you coming out? Come on. Come on, let's go. Come on, puppy. Puppy, you see me? She's like, whoa, okay. Yes. Good, Estrella. Oh, there you go. What do you think? What do you think? It's like, whoa, this is weird. That's weird. We got some good stuff here. We're starving. I'm starving. Somebody feed me. There's a dish up here. You see the dish? You gonna climb it? She's like, that's just rude. Did you know that we're still tiny? And did you know that we can't get up there? Did you know that? What's this? Woo! What's this? Yes. Good job. He's feed me. Feeding? Oh, I am. What's up? Uh-huh.